Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well and I'm teaching you all in good health. If you don't know me, I am Sana and I make beauty videos on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I have created this look, the one I'm wearing right now. I wear this look on everyday basis and I've used all drugstore products in this video to create this look, products that you can get your hands on easily. So it's a very good video for people who want budget friendly products and people who go to universities and colleges and who don't know how to look put together. So here is the video for you. So without further ado, let's just see how I created this look. So after prepping my face, I've used Master Prime. It's very good to give a healthy glow. And it's really important to use SPF when you're going out. So I've used these two BB creams. They have SPF in it. I'm mixing Vipra BB cream because it gives a very luminous effect, and I'm using this Miniso brush because I wanted to try it out, and guys, it's really good. I would totally recommend it, and it's budget friendly as well. So after evenly applying a layer of BB cream, I'm going in with this concealer. It's very good and I apply it with my hand so that it melts in and doesn't look cakey. So I want my makeup to last all day and I don't want creases, so I am placing the RCMA powder on areas that crease, and this will lock everything in. So guys, I wanted to try this eyebrow palette from Miniso, and it's not something extraordinary, but it's good for everyday use. Like, it gives a very natural effect. So if you're going for everyday makeup, it is good. Now I'm going in with my favorite blusher, and guys, if you aren't contouring, what you can do is you can place your blusher on areas you usually contour. This will give dimension to your face, and I went a little overboard with the blusher, so I'm going in with my foundation brush to tone it down. Now going in with this Rivage pencil, I am placing the brown shade on the outer part of my lower lash line, and then I'm going to smudge it out with a brush. Now I'm going in with this combo of mascaras, and I'm going to coat my lashes with it, first with the Baby Doll mascara and then with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Now using this pencil by Sweet Touch, I'm going to tightline my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with the mascara to coat my lower lash line. So I went in with this lipstick. It's matte yet hydrating and it's in the shade Queen Bee, and if you want to go in with a highlighter, this is an option for you guys. So guys, this is the final look. It is very minimal, it is very everyday. You can do it on everyday basis, and the plus point is the products used in this video are easily available. You can go to Al Fatah, you can go to NMs, or you can go to any local market for that matter, and you're going to get these products at a very reasonable rate, and they work wonderfully. So if you find this video informative or useful, so do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to link it somewhere down over here, so follow me there. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.